So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this text reveal motion graphics in DaVinci Resolve. So for this one, let's go ahead, create a new timeline and drag in a Fusion composition. Head over to the Fusion composition and first of all, drag in a background connected with the media out and drag in this text and connect it with the background. Now for the text, I'm going to simply just go ahead, type in this, and the font that I'm using is Futura, but this will be at extra bold. Now change the size to zero point 0.2, and of course let's change the color to, let's say, red. Hit OK, and then let's go ahead and add in another background, and let's also add in this fast noise. So connect the fast noise with the background and the background with the merge tool. Now go over to the background and also let's change the color to red from here, and let's go over to fast noise, change the detail to 10, contrast to 10, and brightness to 1. And let's keep the scale at 2 and everything else at 2, but let's go ahead and make sure you select this discontinuous as well. Now go ahead and drag in this ellipse and connect the ellipse with the fast noise. And right now let's just go over to the background and select this color and click on pick screen color and select the same color as your text and hit OK. Now go over to this ellipse and over here, just click on this invert and this is how it will look. Now change the soft edge to 0.2 and over here at 0, let's change the width to 0 and the height to 0.5. Create a keyframe for both of these at 0 frames. Now go over to 50 frames and let's go ahead and change the width to 0.8 and keep the height at 0.5. So make sure you create another keyframe over here. Now go over to 100 and change the width to 2 and change the height to 0.8. So this is how it will look. Now let's go ahead and play this, and this is how it will look. So this is the text reveal that we get. But just to add in a little bit more details, make sure you select your merge tool, press Control space, and then search for film grain. So make sure you select this film grain, and over here select your film grain, then go over to size, change the keep the size at 1 but change the strength to 0.3, and also make sure to select the time lock. So if you select this, the grain will not move. Otherwise, if you unselect this, you will see that the grain is moving. So make sure that you click this, check this time lock, and it will not move. Now let's head over to the timeline once again and see how this looks. So let's play this and you will see that this is how it looks. Now, of course, if you want to keep the grain turned on, you want this to move, the grain to move, you can unselect that time block. And if you want this to be looking like this, you can just make sure that you select that. So this was it for this video. I hope you will find this video useful and I'll see you in the next one.